Model, 65-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 Cdi X long wheelbase, fridge spares or repairs needs a engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 190391. MOT, the 7th of March 2025. Engine, 2143 cc ohms 651,129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.